All right, I picked this problem because it's the same problem as yesterday with one change. This right here, compounded continuously, which means we are now using the PERT formula. So anytime we're continuously compounded, we're using E as our our factor here in the case of figuring out what this is going to be. So what's our equation going to be? The principal of $100, E to the R, which is 0.023 times X. All right, so there's a functional equation, and we can do just like we did yesterday with putting it in, make sure we get our E, and then 0.023x. Okay, so equation looks good. We can go search it up for 15 years and $141.20. So funny thing, if you remember the answer from yesterday, it was basically the same exact thing. So compounded daily and compounded continuously are not hugely different. If I had it in there, and actually, why not? Let's go ahead and throw it in there. So our equation from yesterday, if you remember it or don't remember it, was the 365 like so. So if we compare these two, and we go look, obviously they look like the same. You can see this daily one is slightly less, fractions of a penny less. So yes, not much different when we're talking compounded daily versus continuously. Okay, and then in the same regard, when is it going to triple? So I'm looking at this one for when does this hit 300? And it's probably going to be about the same, I would guess. We can take a look. Yeah, so once again, right about 48 years. So one of the takeaways from this is compounded continuously and compounded daily are not much different. They are fractions of a cent when we're talking about especially small investment like this. Now, if you're investing billions, then we might be talking $100,000 difference, and that could be significant. So all things to take into account and to understand. So understand like what scale we're talking on, whether daily versus continuously really makes a big difference or not. So yeah, hopefully that helps you kind of start getting a feel for all this stuff.